This switch, by pulling and pushing, can turn on and off the compressed air, and the pointer should point to at least 0.6 MPa to run the machine. If not enough, the machine cannot run. And then, for each run of the machine, we push on the spring ball, and this is off when it will turn to white, green for on, and the pinball. For now, the pinball does not run because the pins are full in the holes, and the sensor senses the presence of the pins, and it will not work. And the manual mode to auto mode and the spring pushing manual mode, and under auto mode only the spring pushing can be turned on. And this reset button, its function is when the clip is not placed well or not placed flat, we can push it reset for reassembly. And this is the power switch. And this is the start switch. Its function is the same as the full switch. And this is the pin pushing plate. This rod can be disassembled by loosening this small screw. And when there is a pin stuck here, we can loosen this small screw and pulling this out, this hose out. But it should be inserted to the bottom after adjusting. And this is the air valve for the pushing force adjustment of the cylinder, and this is for the retract force adjustment, and this one also for the downwards pushing, and this is the same principle. It's for spring pushing adjustment of the big and small force adjustment. We have three cylinders, this one, and this one. And these are the sensor indicators on the cylinders. And there is only one. There are totally 4 sensor indicators on the cylinders. When the cylinder is at home position, it will light up, and when it retracts, this one will light up. If the pushing plate, the pin pushing plate, the sensor indicator does not light on, then the auto mode will not work. So at that time, we need to readjust the sensor indicators to light up. And for this cylinder, when it's at home position, the cylinder, this indicator will not light on. Only after and this sensor is for the pin for when it lights on, it is right, thus the pinball will not work because it's already full. And there are 2 controllers in the electrical cabinet for controlling the speed of the vibrating balls, and require keys to open. And this track when it's not aligned with the mold hole, we can loosen these two screws. After it is loosened, we can move the position of the ball slightly to make the track position to be aligned with the mold hole. And then we can retighten the two screws after adjustments.